Hello dear student, now here we are in the next project, and in this project we will do again something new. In the last project we had seen two sprite, how to do communication between two sprite. Now in place of two we will see the three sprite, means every project we will take something new. So first I delete this existing sprite, and I would like to insert the background, this one. And then I would like to add sprite one by one. I will add, click on the animal section. So here I would like to add this bear, and here the size of this bear is too large, so I want to keep it 50. Now you see the size got reduced. And next step, I want one more sprite in the animal section. So here I would like to add elephant. So it is also like, if suppose you want to reduce size, go in the size section. I want 80%, and I want to change its face direction. So costume you have to select. Here there is a flip horizontal option is there, like that. And then we will go in code section. Two sprite we have done. Now one more sprite I want, snake. So here you can search it out also. So this snake I want. Again I want to reduce its size. So in the size section you have to write it. Suppose I want 70%. And one by one I will do the code. Now in the code section I add some code in the beer section. So you have to select this animal. And first upon you have to add event. When the flag is clicked, then only action will happen. And then he will say something. So in the look section we will add say block. It will say directly, how are you? This is the sentence. How are you? And it is for 2 seconds. So you can check it out how it is working. It is working fine. Then after that, elephant section you have to put the block. First in the event section you have to add when it is click. And when that suppose what happen, as we have seen in the last class, we have to add wait section, because when the bear is speaking the elephant should wait. And we observe here it is speaking for near about 2 seconds, so you have to add wait. It should wait for more than 2 seconds, so it is for 2.5 seconds. Then elephant will speak something. So in the look session, fine, we will check their conversation. Hello, how are you? First it will say how are you, then fine. So it is for again 2 seconds, so bear will wait 2 seconds. You can say more than 2 seconds. And then you can write 2.6, 2.7, whatever it is. Then next statement is hey, see, snake is coming to you. Hey, see, snake is coming to you. And now we will check it out whether it is properly going or not. Hey, see, snake is coming to you. And then in the next conversation, that is from elephant size, control wait for 2.5 seconds. And then it will say in the look section, Thanks for helping me. Now we will check it. How are you? Fine. Hey, snake is coming to you. Thanks for helping me. So this is their conversation. And then the important part in this project is snake. I want that snake should move from one point to another point. So in the snake coding, you have to add straight away this event. And I want this snake should move. So it is related with the motion part. So you observe when I move it, this coordinator of the x and y axis is changing. So what is that coordinator? Actually in mathematics you learn this vertical line, it is y axis, horizontal is x axis. So computer screen consists of pixel coordinate. So right now you should just keep in mind when you move this, so here x coordinate will change rapidly. If you move up, y coordinate will change. So you observe here downside, it is changing continuously. You see. So their x and y axis are changing. So I want this place. So straight away you have to add here go to. Go to means it will start from that point. Snake will start from this point. And then I want that it will glide up to here. So here glide control you have to add. So before adding this, one more thing, I want it should glide up to here. Okay, so when I move it, you see the coordinate of x and y get changed, and here also it will change. If I again move, again it will change. Again if I move, I want up to here, so it is changing. So in this glide section, I want this random position. I don't want, I want this one, and this is the coordinate. And now I check it out. I want to check snake only, so it is going very fast. So what I am doing, I want in place of 1 you should write here 6. It is 61. 1 I should remove. Now I am checking, so now it is going slowly. So now suppose if I do it 10 seconds, then it will be more proper. So now I would like to check its. How are you? Fine. You see snake is coming. Thanks for helping me. So in this process, as you observe, this snake is coming and going from one place to another. So at the last I want to put the sound. So sound section you have to go, and here start sound option is there. So here in the snake section, actually there is a sound option, and here in the sound there is a plus icon. So you just select this plus icon, and here there are various sound whichever you want that you can select it. For testing you can check. Suppose I want this sound, so you just double click. Okay, and once you double click in the code section, you see that option is coming whichever you selected, and now you can check the code. So I have added sound. So whenever you add the sound, you can go it into the sound section, just click in the plus icon and select the sound. So that is the procedure for this. And here one more thing is also there, record. You can record sound by your microphone also. That thing we will see in the coming tutorial. Now we run the project. So how are you? Next, fine. Bear is telling, hey, says snake is coming. Thanks for helping me. And then after stopping, snake will create some voice. So this is the project, and in this project we have used 3 sprites, and there is a communication between these 3. So I hope now you understood how you can use multiple sprite, and in the next coming project we will see the more options also, and we will go step by step so that you can easily learn it. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.